Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PayPal payments inside a no-code app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install PayPal payments inside a no-code app, begin by selecting your no-code platform. Log into your account on the no-code platform of your choice. Navigate to the project dashboard where you want to add PayPal payments. Locate the section for integrating payment systems or third-party services. Select the option to add a new payment integration. Choose PayPal from the list of available payment options. You may be prompted to create a new PayPal business account if you don't already have one. Follow the instructions to create your PayPal business account if necessary. Once your account is set up, return to your no-code platform. Find the API credentials section in your PayPal account settings. Copy the client ID and secret key from your PayPal account. Return to your no-code platform and paste the client ID. Next, paste the secret key in the corresponding field. Configure the payment settings according to your app's requirements. Set up your payment button design, specifying the look and feel to match your app. Choose the payment options, such as one-time payments or subscriptions. Test the integration by running a trial transaction in a test mode, if available. Ensure all settings are saved before exiting the configuration. Preview the app to confirm that the PayPal payment option is visible. Simulate a transaction to ensure everything functions smoothly. Review the transaction confirmation and check your PayPal account for receipt. Make any necessary adjustments to the integration based on the test results. Once satisfied, switch to the live mode to start accepting real payments. Your PayPal payment system is now installed and ready for use in your no-code app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.